Approaching the end of week one, how's it been going? Josh, you'll kick off.
Yeah, I'll kick off. Yeah, it's been going really, really well. It has been quite exhausting. We've been going through the script quite quickly, quite promptly, but that's good. It's a good challenge. It has been quite confusing at times because Samatar and I are reversing roles and doing the opposite track is a bit bewildering at times, but yeah, it's been good.
All right, Emma, how's it been for you?
Yeah, it's been good. I mean, we've been going through it at like lightning speed, just to kind of reflect what Josh said. We've been going through a lot of blocking and a lot of fight sequences and making sure it's all very seamless. And I think one of the challenges that we faced is how kind of multitasking this show is. You know, we have the tech to do, we have like the fight, choreography, and then on top of all that, you know, you have the acting.
Yeah, I guess the same breath as Josh, doing the fight scenes where I know what the other person's doing because I've done it is very weird, it's very odd to be in that position, but it's fun. It's been fun. Having Riyadh come in has really helped us understand and reinvigorate everything that we had done before. So yeah.
Shout out to Riyadh.
Yeah, shout out to Riyadh on that one. But yeah, I guess that's what it's been like for me.
Izzy?
Well, I get the easy job of watching these guys, and yeah, it's just been really like energetic, and I mean, I get to be involved in the warm-ups, and that's kind of where I stop. But I get pumped and then get to relax a little bit. But I'm helping Emma, kind of just watching you the whole day and taking it all in, and then hopefully, if you ever need me, I'm there to support you. So.
Thank you. Premi, what's it like being, you were in it last year and this year you're sort of out watching it, how's that been?
I kind of get to see all the mistakes that I made. So having Emma play Lady Macbeth is kind of, I feel the responsibility of making sure that she doesn't make the same mistakes that I did.
Fantastic. Guys, thank you very much indeed.